Did you know that the creator economy is currently worth over $127 billion dollars and is growing at a mind blowing rate? Imagine being part of a revolution where your creativity can not only connect to millions but also help you build a sustainable career. Sounds intriguing, right? Let's talk about user generated content or UGC and how it fits into this booming landscape. Stay with me, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to start your journey in UGC and even how much you could potentially earn. Let's dive straight in. The scale of the creator economy has become a game changer. With 200 million content creators worldwide, platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube have created a massive shifts in how people consume and create content. In fact, as per Forbes, the industry is projected to grow to a staggering $528 billion by 2030. Huge numbers, right? So, what drives the growth? It's simple. People trust people. Audiences crave authentic, relatable, and engaging content. This is where user generated content or UGC comes into play. UGC content created by real users, not brands, and it's revolutionizing marketing strategies at a global level. So, what is UGC and why is it exploding? UGC refers to videos, reviews, photos, or any content shared by real users about a product, service, or an experience. It's authentic, trustworthy, and highly engaging. Did you know, as per UGC platforms and experts, 84% of consumers are more likely to trust a brand if it features UGC in its marketing, or that social campaigns with UGC drive 50% more engagement? These numbers are why advertising and media agencies are going all in on UGC. Let's also talk some industry examples. Coca-Cola's Share a Coke campaign encouraged people to share photos of personalized Coke bottles on social media. It boosted sales and built emotional connections with the customers. Another one, GoPro's GoPro of the Day campaign motivates users to share their adventure videos captured with their own cameras and creating a community of enthusiasts. Apple's Shot on iPhone campaign showcased user photos to highlight their product's quality while fostering a sense of belonging among iPhone users. Pretty impressive, right? So, how does this relate to you? Now, here's the exciting part. You can turn UGC into a career. Let me break it down for you in terms of the roles and opportunities within the UGC arena. Number one, content creator. If you love creating TikToks or Instagram reels, brands are willing to pay 100 to $1,000 per post, depending on your niche and following. Number two, a UGC specialist. Now, they help brands to strategize and manage UGC campaigns. Well, think of yourself as a bridge between creators and businesses. Another one is a freelancer. They offer your content creation or video editing services to platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Some freelancers earn more than 5,000 a month. Community manager, engage with audiences, foster loyalty, and encourage people to share their experiences with brands. This role is crucial in today's digital landscape. Influencer marketing manager, this is another role. They collaborate with influencers and curate impactful UGC campaigns. With experience, this can be a six-figure role. Doesn't this sound like something worth to be exploring? Well, if you find this useful so far, hit the like button and subscribe to Wisdom Loom for more actionable insights. Let's talk money, the real deal. The earning potential in UGC varies, but here's a high level overview for you. As beginners, you can make $1,000 to a 5,000 per month, depending on your skills and niche. Experienced creators get almost $10,000 per month through brand partnerships, sponsorships, and freelance projects. As top level specialists, a six-figure income is possible for those managing large-scale UGC campaigns or running their own UGC agency. The best part here is this is flexible, scalable career as an option that you can grow at your own pace. A big question, why UGC is here to stay? The future is bright for UGC, and here's why. Number one, brands need authenticity. Traditional ads feel staged, but UGC resonates because it's real. Second, cost effective for businesses. Well, why spend on elaborate ad shoots when users are creating high quality content for free or at a minimal cost? Three, endless opportunities for creators. As platforms grow, so do the ways to monetize your content. And here's how to get started. Pick a niche you're passionate about, whether it's travel, fitness, or tech. Start creating authentic content that showcases your skills. Build your portfolio on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or LinkedIn. Reach out to brands directly or join platforms like Trend.lo and below to find UGC opportunity. And most importantly, stay consistent. The opportunities are endless for those who keep showing up. My closing thoughts for you, the creator economy is growing and UGC is at its heart. It's authentic, engaging, and an incredible way to turn your creativity into a thriving career. So, what are you waiting for? Drive into the world of UGC today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Wisdom Loom, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on tips that can transform your career.